Construction hasn't caught up to modern tech, but we have. Here's how we redesigned the entire home fit-out workflow. Most homeowners, corporate spaces, and clinics want a wellness suite, but the process feels overwhelming. Too many decisions, no transparency, no clear pricing, and zero control. So we built the solution we wish existed. This is Longevity Studio, the first end-to-end platform for designing, planning, and building a home wellness suite with total clarity and zero stress. Start with a simple 4-step assessment. Tell us about your space, goals, and preferred tier. In under 2 minutes, you'll unlock instant feasibility insights and a personalized project path. Next, book your consultation directly inside the platform. No emails, no messages. Just choose a time that works for you. You immediately gain access to your secure client portal, the home base for your project. Here's where you'll receive your proposal, review your estimated budget, explore designs, and approve everything in one place. See your future suite instantly with 3D renderings of your chosen tier. Explore every finish, every product, even step inside the room using our VR preview experience. Once you're happy, pay your deposit securely. We lock in your installation date, coordinate procurement, and begin preparing your project for delivery. Your dashboard gives you real-time updates on supplier lead times, installation phases, long lead procurement, and approvals. No chasing, no uncertainty, full transparency from day one. Our team manages the full journey: strip out, fit out, installation, and handover, all tracked inside your portal. Start your journey today at longevitystudio.ie.